Alright everyone, so the first thing I'm going to explain about the definition of a society. So a society is a group of individuals living together in a particular region, interacting with each other and sharing common values, norms and culture. Societies form complex social structures, including families, social groups, institutions and organizations. So next, here's are the real world examples from news. The first one, there is student demonstrations. Student protests in various countries are a clear example of the dynamic of civil society, voicing aspirations and demands for change. And next, there is COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic has revealed the vulnerability of global society and the importance of social solidarity in facing crisis. And the last one, we have #MeToo movement. This movement shows how civil society can unite to fight against sexual violence and gender inequality.
The next is states. What is state? State is a political organization that has supreme authority with a specific territory. And the states have characteristics such as well-defined of territory, population, and then government.
Okay, the next is the real-world example from the news. The first of all is Russia and Ukraine conflict. This conflict demonstrates how major powers can engage in the war that have a wide-ranging impact on the international community.
We see every 4 years
The next is US election. US elections are a sample of the democratic process within states.
In a single day
And the last is refugee crisis. The refugee crisis is the various parts of the world highlights that challenge faced by states in addressing humanitarian aids.
Where are they coming?
Definition of nation. A nation is group of the people who share a common identity, culture, language, history, and political aspiration. The nation is often associated with the concept of nationalism, which is a feeling of love for our nation. Number one is independent movement. Independent movement is various countries demonstrate the strong sense of nationalism in the struggle from independence. Number two is Independence Day celebration. Independence Day celebration in various countries are a form of expression of love for the nation. Number three is ethnic conflict. Ethnic conflict in some countries show the complexity of the relation between nation and state, and the challenges in building an inclusive nation identity.
Relationship between society, nation, and state. These three concepts are interconnected and influence each other. Like society forms the state regulates society, and the nation provides the basis for the state legitimacy.
The state plays an important role in regulating the life of society, protecting the rights of citizens, and maintaining order.
French Revolution. The French Revolution is an example of how major social changes can trigger political changes and the formation of the modern nation state.
Number two is reform movement in Indonesia. The reform movement in Indonesia shows how civil society can play an active role in political change and the formation of a more democratic state.
The conclusion, the concept of state, nation, and society are interconnected and influenced by each other. Understanding the dynamics of these concepts can better understand the politics, society, and culture in the international community. By studying the dynamics of these three concepts, we can better analyze current events and understand the challenges faced by the global society. And that's all. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.